Hello, I'm Madhu. Today, I'm going to talk about spices. When you think of Indian food, what are the two words that come to your mind? Curry and spices. What is curry? Most non-Indians think of curry as a dish that's in a yellow sauce and use curry powder as the spice to make it. Curry and Indian food is synonymous. It is an oversimplification of the cuisine, but it is how Indian food is known throughout the world. I may not like it, but I have to accept it. But I do have a problem with curry powder when it is used to create the whole cuisine. Curry powder is a spice blend that has turmeric in it, plus 4 to 5 other spices. In my spice drawer, I have my spice box, which has 6 to 7 spices in it. This is what I cook with. So I start with turmeric, which is the quintessential spice that gives dishes its golden yellow color. Then there's cayenne pepper, which gives dishes its heat. Adjust it to your palate. Ground coriander, black mustard seeds. They're sold as mustard seeds or black mustard seeds, brown mustard seeds. Do not use the yellow mustard seeds. Cumin seeds. Now, both of these are used as seasoning, and garam masala. Garam masala is a blend of 6 to 7 spices. Most families have their secret spice blend, garam masala blend. This is my recipe. I do make my own garam masala. The recipe's in the books. And in the center, I do put salt because when I get started, I don't want to open another jar. The optional one is asafoetida. It is very pungent and can smell really bad. So always keep it sealed. It's never going to be part of your spice box. It helps digest beans, cruciferous vegetables. In Indian kitchen, it's another quintessential spice. This is what you should start out with, and you're going to be able to make 70% or more of the Indian dishes. And by the way, if you have a curry powder you love, use it to make things such as dips or salads, but please don't use it to make all Indian dishes. There are 20 to 30 more spices that a recipe may call for. You may already have many of these spices such as black pepper, bay leaves, cloves, but don't get overwhelmed. Only buy them when you're ready. For more recipes, go to my website, cuisineofindia.com. Until next time, happy, healthy living.